In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a purchase on Etsy using PayPal. Whether you're a seasoned online shopper or just starting out, this guide will walk you through the process of finding, selecting, and purchasing a product on Etsy with PayPal. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Etsy's website. Etsy is a global marketplace full of unique and creative goods, making it a fantastic resource for finding unique gifts and handmade items. In the search bar, you can type in what you're looking for, or you can simply browse through the categories to see what catches your eye. This stage is all about exploring the wide variety of products available, so take your time here and enjoy the experience. Once you've found a product that you would like to purchase, click on the item to open its product page. Here you can read more detailed information about the item, check out the reviews from other buyers, and look at the shipping options and costs. If everything meets your expectations, go ahead and click on the button that says Add to Cart. This action will save the item in your cart, allowing you to continue shopping or move on to the checkout process. Now, it's time to head over to the checkout page. To do this, click on the cart icon usually located at the top right corner of the page. You'll find a summary of all the items you've added, along with the total cost and options available to finalize your purchase. Double check that you have all the items you want and that the total cost looks right. The next important step is to choose your payment method. Etsy offers several payment options, but in this guide, we're focusing on PayPal. So when you get to the payment methods section, simply click on Pay with PayPal. PayPal is a secure and convenient way to make online payments because it allows you to safely use your bank account or credit card without directly entering your details on the website. When you select PayPal, you'll be redirected to the PayPal login page. If you have a PayPal account, enter your credentials here and log in. If you don't have a PayPal account yet, it's easy to create one. Just follow the prompts to sign up and link your desired payment method. Once logged in, confirm the payment details and then click on the Pay Now button. After you've completed the payment, you'll be directed back to Etsy where you'll see a confirmation that your purchase was successful. And that's it. You're done. You have successfully navigated through the process of buying a product on Etsy using PayPal. Keep an eye on your email for a confirmation message from Etsy, which will include your order details and estimated delivery date. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.